iVoice virtual number is a special feature on the MOGO app. You can use the virtual number to make and answer calls, as well as sending and receiving SMS. Tap the phone icon. Tap Price List to check the price of each country and region. Tap Store. Tap iVoice. Select a virtual number and submit the order. Tap the phone icon, dial the number, select your subscribed virtual number and start making calls. To send SMS, you can enter iVoice and tap Message. Switch on the iVoice call SMS notifications to activate call and message alerts. Tap Profile, tap Settings and tap Notifications. Switch on the notifications. iFREE Group provides 24/7 customer service. You can contact our customer service team through the MOGO app, WeChat, WhatsApp or visit the below link.